So how big is the community here? Because this is the community.
This community is very big. A lot of people live around here.
How many people, Michael?
I can guess 200.
200 people?
Yeah.
And this is the project we're working on with the 2 ram pumps.
Yes.
It's for this community here.
Yes.
Yeah. So so we're just waiting here.
Waiting for the boys to come over with the tools and we go down to the
magic.
Yeah.
Thanks, Michael. We'll catch you next time. Okay, here I am in Middlebush on the island of Tana in Vanuatu, and we're just counting everything in for this Rampo 400 project that we're doing with ADRA. So this is what it looks like. So it's counting it all in by hand, and the community gets behind it all, and everyone helps out. It's just magic. Just watch your step here. So we'll just take it down and show you a water source where this is going to go. Okay, so just down in here. Now they've had a number of water projects in Middlebush here, and effectively they just haven't been effective. Or what I should say, they just haven't been effective. As you can see by the structure down here. So you know, let's hope that we can do it with our ram pumps. All right, that's our first morning. We'll catch you later. Keep you updated. Okay, here we are. We're just scoping this out. This is John here. He's the boss here, and we're just looking at putting in this weir. So this is our water source, and we're just up the top of a bit of a waterfall here. You can see waterfall in the back there, and this is a man-made bit of a weir here. They've had a number of water projects in here that haven't worked. These are just moving for us. They're still washing. They're just moving. Okay, watch your step. Okay, Middlebush Tana, and the boys are right into it now. So what we've been doing the last couple of days is trying to get some heights, and the heights I were given were worked off a GPS, and they were just incorrect. I checked them with this bit of poly pipe here. You know, we simply filled that up, and I put a pressure gauge on the end of it, and you know, we were 30 meters out in height, which would have really we wouldn't have got the water that promised these guys. So up there, back behind this guy in the red, I don't know if you can see the surge tank up there. Yeah, there it is. There's the surge tank. Okay, so what we've got is a string line coming through here, and the guys are just chopping this bank away, and we're coming down here in this little creek here, and we've got our man down the end here. Woo! Yeah, so he's just holding that string line just so we can get a line through for our drive pipe. And our ram pump's actually going to be situated down in here. Let me just take you down here. Watch your step, pretty slippery. So the ram pump is actually going to get situated right about here. And so what we'll do is build up a concrete plinth. We'll get some blocks in here, and we'll build up a concrete plinth and sit this ram pump on there. And then the 250 is going down further. So downstream from here, we're putting in a Rampo 250. Okay, this is how it's all done in Vanuatu. I tell you, they're just unreal to work with these guys. They're real troopers. Alright, come for a walk with me. And we're just building this dam. And yeah, we'll go through and have a look at this dam wall. So just come through with me. Watch your step as we go. Pretty slippery. We'll just get up the back of here. Watch your step. Okay, so this has all been done. This will be done live. So it's just we haven't diverted the water at all. Yes, sir. And just shove these 4-inch pipes in there and just built this wall on top of it. Alright, I'll take you for a walk down through here. Okay, you can see it's all coming through. It's carried on their shoulders and just lugged in here. Okay, here comes the surge tank. Okay. They thought they were going to sit it down there, but this is where it's got to go. You can see the white tape coming down there. That's the measuring tape. We've got that red string line coming down, and what we're doing here is we've just joined up 1 length of drive pipe on this Rambo 400 base, and we're just going to just fitting up some reinforcing in the hole here, and then we'll pour some cement in there. Man, couldn't have timed that any better if I tried. Yeah, that's what it's like here. They're just unreal. Can't speak high enough of them. Okay, the guys have just concreted in this Rampo 400 base. Done a real good job. John here on my left, he's been doing the concreting here. And so this is stage 1. He's going to do stage 2, and he's going to concrete an apron just around the outside here, and then just up on this bank here, just to capture all the water and then return it back to the stream and behind John there. Okay guys, thanks. Good job. This is really good. The guys are having a good clean up here. We're taking all of this old stuff out, all the rubbish out, and we're making a big difference here. It's really starting to come together. Yes. Let's have a look around this ram here. There was a lot of debris just in the waterway here. I'll just get down here. Watch the step. Okay. So there was, I don't know if you can tell from the last photos, there was just a lot of debris here. And we're just giving a real nice clean up. It's good? Good on you. There's a lady that's pretty happy. She won't have to travel 5 minutes down a very steep, greasy slope and come and get water and do the washing. She's going to have it in a tap up by her house. Okay, there's one of our babies. Healthy heartbeat. Pumping up around about 112, 115 vertical meters in height. And it's going, what are we going? I think we're going 750 meters. And we're doing 20,000 litres a day, just over 20,000 a day. So another fit young ram, ready for many decades of good work for the people. And there's a very happy lady there. Okay, here I am in Lamlu, Middle Bush, Tana, in Vanuatu. And we've just finished installing a couple of ramp pumps here. So this is the weir of a Rampo 250 rather. The guys have just built up. Now you'll see that you know, things aren't finished. This is still a work in progress. We've just knocked everything up. I've only had 2 weeks to get this in, and the guys have done a real mighty job. So you know, you're going to see some stuff that's unfinished, but they're going to come back and finish it off. So that's the weir. There's the feed pipe coming into the back of this surge tank. Overflow going down past Michael there. And we've got the dry pipe going down to the ram pump. Put that lid on. Okay, off we go down. I'm just going to take you through, walk you through, let you see it all here. Come through. Coming through. Excuse me. Okay. Just going to roll down here. Watch your step. How did you go with that one? Alright. Coming down through, following this dry pipe down. A bit rocky there. So, this is the kind of terrain we've been in. It's been heavy dense bush. The guys have just knocked it down with a machete. It's all going to grow up within a couple of months. The growth here is just prolific. So there's our little 250 down there. Looking back up to the guys. Okay. That's our 250. Okay, we'll just head down here. Now we put the 250 in first and the 400 below so that we could use the wastewater also to run the 400. Now this one's pumping up 115 meters and doing right on 20,000 litres a day, just a little bit more. This little beauty. Okay, here we go. Okay, just back up. Oh, I just love these things. So simple, like me. Okay. Now, we've got another dam. We're just here. Okay, feed pipe, the back of the surge tank. It's a bit slippery here, just gotta watch this. Okay, so we've got this feed pipe. This one. Alright. Overflow and down the hill. We've got drive pipe. This was a bit of a mission to construct, but the guys did a really great job. You know, it was swinging in the middle of the air. It was a lot of fun. Okay, so this one here, as you can see, we haven't got that delivery pipe hooked up. We had the fitting. I don't know where it's gone. We got to find that fitting and hook it up. We did have another one hooked up, but it's just gone missing. And so this baby is going to give them 55,000 litres a day. So between the two pumps, you know, 55 plus 20, that's 75,000 litres a day for this community. Where the women, you know, there's a track just back up there, but the women had to come down here with buckets to get their water every day for households. They had to come down here to do their washing. Now we're going to have running water in their village for all their community. Okay, we'll catch you in the next one. Okay, here we are in Middlebush, Tana, and here's the tanks that are going to be built for the water to go into. There's one there, and there's another 1, 2, 3 to go in. And we've just measured the water going into the bucket here, and we've got just short of 20,000 litres a day. So that's 19,200 litres a day going into that bucket. That's what it looks like. And these are the guys that have made it all possible. Thank you guys, good job.